Alright guys, today we're going to be walking through Mindelo, Cabo Verde, off the coast of Africa here, a little island. While you might be coming here on a cruise ship like I did, we just had a little cafe at Casa Cafe Mindelo guest house. And I just want to show off some pupper dogs here, hanging out in the plaza. You know we love pupper dog content on this channel. We're going to take a walk through, take a look around, see what you might see if you come to Mindelo. One of the most unique cities in Africa, located on the island of São Vicente, has home to roughly 70,000 people, making it the second largest city in the entire country of Cabo Verde. Cabo Verde is located about 350 miles or 560 kilometers off the coast of West Africa. The country has developed a culture unlike any other on the continent. So we walk around downtown Mindelo, notice colorful Portuguese colonial architecture and wide streets. Really relaxed atmosphere here. Many say it feels like Portugal or Brazil. And the Caribbean and West Africa all rolled into one. Island nation of Cabo Verde. It's about 600,000 people. Nearly half reside on just two of the islands, Santiago and São Vicente. Demographically, Cabo Verde is one of the most mixed countries in Africa. Most residents have both African and European ancestry. Roughly 70% of the population falls into this category. The official language is Portuguese. It's used in schools, governments, media. However, the language spoken at home by most residents is Cape Verdean Creole, also known as Crioulo. Although English is widely spoken in the tourist areas, along with French, Spanish, Italian, or German. that so I can show you what the beach looks like here in Cabo Verde, Mindelo. And violent crime rates are relatively low here due to political stability and has attracted foreign investment and tourism. And Mindelo itself has a reputation for being one of the safest in the country. Petty theft can occur, especially around busy areas and beaches, but overall the city enjoys a relaxed atmosphere. But just walking around here, you can see streets look clean, well organized. And this nice, big, wide walking path, boardwalk area here, maybe a Malecon. Economically, Cabo Verde faces many challenges. The country lacks natural resources, very little fresh water, and most food products are imported. Tourism, shipping, fishing, and services are the main drivers of the economy. Because most everything is imported, prices can surprise visitors. Groceries and consumer goods are often more expensive than many people expect. Although we did have a cappuccino at the coffee shop I showed you at the beginning of the video, and it was $2 US, so fairly reasonable as far as that's concerned. There's the Crown Princess Cruise Lines that I come in on. The average salary in Mindelo averages between $400 and $800 US per month, depending on the occupation. Check out the water here, see a little fish out there. Mindelo is considered the cultural capital of Cabo Verde. Roughly 80% of Cabo Verdeans identify as Roman Catholic, reflecting centuries of Portuguese influence. I think we are going to wrap this up now and join us in the next one where we will walk the beach in Cabo Verde. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you in the next one. Let's keep exploring.